French with TT. Today we are going to see how to pronounce letters in alphabet. Let's go.
A to J.
So there are 26 letters in the alphabet. So let's learn how to pronounce them in French. The first 10, we'll go for that. A. So how to pronounce this? A. B. This is as B. A. B. C. C. D. D. E. F. F. We pronounce that as same. F. G. J. H. Ash. Ash. J. G. So when we take F, we pronounce as the English alphabet. F. F. But G and J, we pronounce G as J and J as G. G. J. J. G. So let's pronounce from the beginning. A. B. C. D. E. F. J. Ash. E. G. So let's go for the rest.
K to T.
So K. How to pronounce K? K. L. L. M. M. N. N. O. O we pronounce as O. P. P. Q. Q. R. Air. Air. S. S. T. 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 So here we pronounce them similar to the English alphabet. Here say L. L. We pronounce same. L. M. N.
U to Z.
So let's have a look for the last part. U. 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 V. V. W. 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 X. X. Y. 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 Z. Z. So let's see how to pronounce from U. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. So it's easy, right? So let's listen to the French alphabet song.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Maintenant, je les connais, toutes les lettres de l'alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Maintenant, je les connais, toutes les lettres de l'alphabet.
So today we learn how to pronounce the letters in French. Let's meet up in another video. Au revoir. Thank you.